Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Adana, also known as TheAfrozen. Today we're reading for the water signs, which consists of Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, there's something about a signature. I'm hearing forced signature, so something was forced here. Clarify that for me. Yep, and it made someone miss an opportunity. So someone forged someone's signature. Okay, so they forged your signature because of the King of Wands here. It was something of yours that they wanted or needed. And they knew that if they would have asked you, you would not have said yes. So they went behind your back and they forged some kind of a signature onto something. They wanted to take charge. Yeah, they're a dictator. They could be oppressive towards you, try to control you. This person was burnt out or is burning out. So they needed another plan. They wanted to practice something, a new job with the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, but at your expense. Clarify lack of choices and dictator. Transition. Okay. You skip it. What's being transitioned? A privileged lady in a marriage. Okay, so this is about a marriage. Okay, someone may have sent divorce papers, annulment papers, okay? But somebody's transitioning out of a marriage with a privileged lady, right? They're doing something behind your back. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, right? They're doing something behind your back with this signature and this certificate. They don't want you to know what's going on. So it's like they're quickly divorcing you so you can't ask questions. Yep, defeat. Like they just want it done and over with. But they're still needing you or using you for something with this signature or certificate. Dictator. Controlling. What are they trying to control? What are they trying to control? Money. They're trying to control someone's money. So there's a signature involved here, right? You're not aware of. Somebody forged your signature onto something, which in reality made you miss an opportunity, okay? Take that how that resonates. This person was in the King of Wands energy with, you know, coming off as energetic, like this is going to work with or without you, right? Because then they switched from the King of Wands to the Eight of Pentacles, where they were looking for a new, some type of quick gimmick bullshit scheme, some kind of something, new job, something to that nature. But it has a lot to do with you and this signature, right? Then I asked, well, who is this involving? You have the privileged lady and a marriage, right? So someone is doing something in a marriage, maybe requires a signature. I don't know, okay? But you're definitely dealing with a Capricorn, someone that's transitioning, okay? This Capricorn, or it could be you, water sign, somebody's after someone's money here. Okay, someone has a huge interest or some kind of payout or some shit. Oops. When it comes to money. Yeah, pathway. Something with money here that they don't want you to be aware of. Why are they hiding money? Because they're very uncaring. They're using it to pay debt with the Five of Pentacles. And if you need to know who this person is, you need to search for the truth or contemplate, go within yourself. Where did the money come from? From somebody that was victimized. The money came from someone that was victimized. Or somebody that was helpless. There's a lack of balance here. Who was feeling victimized? Who's feeling victimized? The King of Pentacles with the Magician. So someone that was wealthy or a provider is being victimized by someone for money. There's a lot of trickery involved. Marriage, privileged lady, trickery. Somebody's pulling the wool over your eyes in regards to a marriage. And there's a lot of money involved here from some sort of victimization, someone feeling victimized. They feel trapped. So they're using this divorce, sending out a divorce, something with some kind of certificate where you need your signature on it. Because this Capricorn is about to transition into great fortune. Or it could be your great fortune. It could be theirs, it could be yours. Take it how it resonates, because this is a collective reading. It's not a one-on-one personal, okay? Feeling trapped. If somebody feels victimized, somebody could be extorting money out of someone that feels victimized. Clarify victimized, extortion. It's going to be a celebration though. Celebration of what? So we have the Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, and the Strength card in reverse. Celebration of control, of having control of a positive outlook, or celebrating control of seizing a new opportunity because of someone's insecurity and lack of courage. So someone here is going to be celebrating somebody's going to be celebrating the downfall of someone. This is a setup here. This is a setup. Someone is going to be celebrating, like they have an outlook, a positive outlook, but this outlook is not positive. They're so happy about this so-called plan that's supposed to work that they're trying to celebrate the control of someone's money, greed, someone's money, someone's weakness, someone's insecurity, and someone they feel is not going to fight or fight back, scared to fight. So you have someone here that's trying to set you up, right? Using your signature, you're a John Hancock, whatever, right? And some kind of a whatever. It has a lot to do with money here, right? They're using the marriage, or they're using this divorce as like a scapegoat to do what they need to do to get out of something, because it has a lot to do with money. But they feel like somebody here is victimized, or feels victimized, or feels helpless, or they may think that this person feels victimized. They may feel helpless, taking how it resonates, right? So they are celebrating, or the intent or the outcome is to celebrate someone's greed for someone's money. Okay, someone's after your money. To celebrate that someone is weak or insecure of themselves, which also will equate to being scared or pushover or a lack of courage. So they are expecting, they, he, she are expecting you, or you're expecting them to just be weak, be insecure about themselves, not speak up, no lack of courage. All right, so this is the plan. There's something with your signature on here that you got to be very careful about. And the Capricorn is involved. They're trying to get some kind of money out of you through a signature. Aries may be involved. Cancer may be involved. Scorpio may be involved. I heard one more. Aquarius may be involved. All right, so if that resonates, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, with the signs, mwah, peace.